Hello everyone, it's Lily, and in this video, I am going to show you how to unblock people on Instagram that blocked you. The process is simple, you don't need an app or a website to do this, so keep watching and let's get right into it. So the thing about Instagram is that if you block someone, they can't see your profile anymore, it's as if you don't even exist. So if someone blocked you and you blocked them, you can't find them, you can search for their profile, but nothing comes up. So these are all of the accounts that I use, and I am going to show you exactly what I mean. So right now I am on my main account and I have blocked Buzzy and he has also blocked me. So if I go over to the search tab and search for Buzzy, my other account, as you can see, doesn't show up. This is showing me different people that have the username Buzzy. It's like that account doesn't even exist. But as you can see, this does exist and it's an actual account. And now while I am on this account, if I go over to the search tab and search for my main account, Lily Jones Tutorial Hub, nothing will show up. So if you ever find yourself in this same situation where you blocked someone and that person has also blocked you, you can follow the steps that I am going to share right now to unblock that person. So what you want to do first is sign in to another Instagram account. If you don't have another one, you can simply create one. It is very easy to create an account. I already have another account, so I am going to switch to that one. After that, what you want to do is go to the chats page and create a group chat. For that, tap on this plus icon. So I am going to add the profile that I blocked and now that I want to unblock, Buzzy Boogerbean and my main account, which is Lily Jones Tutorial Hub. And then tap on chat. So now you have created a group chat with them. And now you can tap on See Group Members to see all of the people that are in your group chat. Scroll down a little bit. So as you can see, I have my two accounts that blocked each other in this group chat. So what you want to do now is sign into your account. So I am going to go over to my main account and I am going to open up my chats. And now you can see that group chat over here, and if I click on that, it will show me a little message saying that someone that I blocked is in this group chat. So now tap on Stay in Group, and then tap on See Group Members. And again you can see all of the people in this group. And you can also see that I have blocked this account. So now if you want to unblock this person, all I have to do is tap on these three dots, and then unblock. And now you have successfully unblocked this person. However, this does not mean that they unblocked you, this is just you unblocking them. So that's it for today's video. If you have any questions about all of this, please let me know in the comments section below. If not, give this video a thumbs up because it does mean so much to me to see people like my content. And if you want more simple tutorials like this one in the future, make sure to subscribe to this channel. And thanks so much for watching. Have a good day.